morning students. How are you all today? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Today we will do the same topic that we have done in the last tutorial, that is expand sums. For expand sum we have to understand the concept of place value that we have done in the previous tutorials. Now we will do expanded sums. Okay, for expanded sums you have to understand what is expanded form. Expanded form of a number is addition of place value of its digits present in it. It is the addition of place value of its digits present in it. Let's do first sum. 666. 666. This is the standard form of a number. This is the standard form of the number. Before starting a sum, we have to write the places according to its place. We have to write down the place on it according to its place in the number. So starting from first, this is the 666. All the digits are 6, 6 and 6. So starting from first digit, that is 6, write down 6. It is on which place? It is on hundreds place. So we can write 6 hundreds. Now we know it is the addition of place value of all the digits present in it. So second number is 6. Again 6. It is on which place? It is on tens place. So we will write 6 tens. Again put a sign of addition. Next again number 6. Write down 6 here. It is on which place? It is on ones place. So write down ones here. Now this is the expanded form of this number. This is the standard number and this is the expanded form of this standard number. Now we have to write the same line into the zeros form. Now write down 6. How many 600s can be written as 600? 600s can be written as 600. 6 tens can be written as 60 and 6 ones can be written as 6. For this, write down the first digit. How many zeros are there in 100? There are 2 zeros in 100, so we can write 20 here. It becomes 600. Now 6 tens. Write down 6 here. In tens, how many zeros are there? There are 1 zero. There is 1 zero only, so we can write 60 here. Now in next 6, write down 6 here. Ones, is there any zero in ones? No, so we can write 6 only. This is the expanded form of 666. Now let's take one more example. In second sum we have the number 501. 501. First of all we have to write the place on it. This is the place according to its places of digits. Now first of all write down 5 here. 5 is on which place? 5 is on hundreds place. So we can write hundreds here. Hundreds. Put a sign of addition because it is the addition of place value of digits in a number. So now in next step we have 0. 0 is on which place? 0 is on tens place. We will not write S along with it because with 0 and 1 there is no need to write S with it. Okay. Now next number is 1. Put a sign of plus, then number 1. 1 is on which place? It is on one place. No need to write S here. Okay. Now convert it into the zeros form. This is the place value of the number. This is the standard number. This is the expanded form of the number. So 5 hundreds. How many zeros are there in 100? After writing 5, write down the zeros. There are 2 zeros. So next 0, 0, 10. How many zeros are there in 10? Only 1. We can write 0 along with 0. Then 1. 1 is on which place? 1. Is there any 0 in 1? No. So we can write only 1 here. This is all about sums. Now we can do an activity to understand this concept more clearly. Let's understand this activity of expanded form. In this activity, what we have to find? We have to find the expanded form of number 956. What we have to find? We have to find the expanded form of 956. For this, first of all, we will write 9. It is on hundreds place, it is on tens place, it is on ones place. For solving this, first of all, we have to write the 9. Now, how many zeros are there in 9 hundreds? There are 2 zeros. So we can write 9 hundreds as 900. Now the second number is 5. Second number is 5. How many zeros are there after 5? There is only 1 zero. So we can write 1 0 here. Again put a sign of addition because it is the addition of place value of digits in it. Now on ones place we have the number 6. Is there any 0? No. So we can write here 956. This is the expanded form of this number. You can make this activity at your home with the simple paper. Thank you and have a nice day.